Hey guys, it's Tony. Today I'm going to be changing out the crankcase filter on my 2018 Ram 2500 6.7 liter Cummins diesel. Just to kind of give you guys a little background on this, my service message came on, and at first I didn't know what that was. At first I thought it was something to do with the oil change, but in fact it is the 67,500 mile service interval that you have to do. And part of that service interval, just depending on what your truck you have, is changing out this crankcase filter. So I'm just going to kind of show you what I did and how I got it done. So let's get started. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And to help our channel grow, please consider clicking on the subscribe, the like, and the notification buttons below. And if you'd like to get a price for the item you're looking at, I have included the link in the description below, so please be sure to check that out. Now back to the video. So the crankcase filter goes inside of this housing. To get to that housing, 8mm bolts, one here, one there, and there's another one right behind that wire clip. It's kind of hard to see right there. And then there's another four, one there, one there, one there, and another one back there on the corner. Once you take those out, it's real easy. You just lift this piece up, take the element out, and you just replace it. So just to kind of show you what I used a ratchet. You could use an impact driver, but I just chose to use a ratchet with an adjustable head that has an 8mm socket on it. If having to do it again, two of the screws are kind of long, so I would recommend, if you have one, using a longer version of this 8mm socket. And I had to go from 1/4 inch down to 3/8 inch on the adjustable piece. So that's really all the tool you'll need. Once you change it out, it took me literally 20 minutes to do. You go ahead and you reset your service light, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. First thing that's going to pop up is a message that talks about the service interval. There it is, perform service. To get that off, what you'll want to do is turn the key on to the auxiliary. All right, press on the brake twice, and then press on the accelerator all the way to the floor 3 times within 10 seconds. Turn it off, and then turn it back. And there you have it. So guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful. And until next time, Tony G out.